In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create invoices on Wix. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your site's dashboard. Once you are in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Getting Paid. Then select Invoices. This is the section where Wix lets you create, manage, and send invoices directly from your website dashboard. So it's a good place to get familiar with if you regularly bill clients or customers. If this is your first time using invoices in Wix, you may be prompted to set up your business information. Go ahead and click Get Started. From there, add your business name, your business email address, and upload your company logo if you have one. This step is important because these details will appear on your invoices and help make them look more professional and consistent with your brand. Take a moment to check that everything is entered correctly before moving on. Next, click Create New in the top right corner and choose Invoice. This opens a new invoice draft where you can begin filling in the details for the client and the services or products you are charging for. Now add the customer details. You can search for an existing contact if the customer is already saved in your Wix contacts. Or create a new contact by entering their name, billing address, and email address. Be sure to review this information carefully, since it affects both the accuracy of the invoice and where it will be delivered if you send it by email. After that, enter your line items. This is where you list the products or services you are billing for. Include a clear description for each item, along with the quantity and rate. It's a good idea to make your description specific enough that the customer can easily understand what they're being charged for. As you enter the information, Wix will automatically calculate the totals, including taxes and any discounts, which helps reduce manual errors and saves time. Then, check the dates and terms, verify the issue date. Set the payment due date and add any notes, payment terms, or refund policies that apply. This section is useful for setting clear expectations and helping avoid confusion later. Once everything looks good, you can either click Send Invoice to email it directly to your client or choose Save and Close if you prefer to review it again or send it later. And that's all it takes to create an invoice on Wix. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.